Hello, in this video I'm going to be using my 3D model to help people pronounce the sound ch. So CH ch, and I'll be using both the 3D version where you don't see through them and also where you can see through to have a look at the tongue and the teeth. So we begin. If you look at the lips, create a square shape when the sound is made from a different angle. Ch. It's a little bit exaggerated to help with what you should see. Now going invisible. Notice this tongue is lifted. So ch. Now from the side, watch the tongue in relation to the teeth. Ch, as the air is expelled. That's a very quick video, and please, if you enjoyed that video, you thought it was useful, hit the like button, share and subscribe, make any comments below. Thanks for watching.